everybody, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, and if you're new here then welcome. My name is Eve, this is Lewis. Lewis quite often joins me in my unboxings because he likes to open stuff, and it's his birthday next week, his 3rd birthday, so he'll get to open loads then. He's not in all my videos, I promise. But today is on the Accessorize. It's just mystery boxes. So this is one of the £10 ones. Your face is mock it! You're ringing! And this, like, look at the size of this box. This is one of the £20 ones, and it's absolutely huge. It's like probably about the size of my torso or my legs, my lower legs. But if you do like this video while you're watching it, please don't forget to hit the big thumbs. If you do enjoy this video while you're watching it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I would also love it if you would subscribe if you haven't already. I mainly post kind of reviews and hauls and all that kind of thing. And also make sure your notification bells are turned on so that you're notified of all my future uploads. And also, if I look a mess, I need to apologise. I was at placement today and I get sent home early because it was quiet. So these were waiting for me when I got home. So I just came on, flung on some makeup because I was desperate to open these. And I could not wait till this one goes to bed. So it's quite light, but also Rosie Pink Rose was the one that originally got these boxes, and Make Me Up Miss I got one as well. So Rosie did say that she's bought them again this time, so I will link her channel down below, so go and check her out. Rosie is she's so much fun to watch. She's just like, go and watch her and you'll know what I mean. She's just lovely to watch, and she's gorgeous as well, which helps. So let's just go in. I mean, they are just plain boxes. I can never get into boxes. So whoa, what's in here? What's in here? So this is the £10 one. And what's that? So we've got a phone case. Now, that's quite risky to put in because obviously people have all got different phones. So this is for the Samsung Galaxy S8. Now that's not going to work for me at all because I don't have that phone. I have got an iPhone, so that's, to me, that's a bit of a miss. I don't think they should be including phone cases. But the next thing is a hat. Now I like this, so this one has got a price on it, so let me just see.
Mum, what's that?
Right, the phone cover doesn't have a price on it. It says it'll fit the S9 as well, so I'll need to find someone that's got one. But the hat was £12.50, and it is really nice, kind of bobbled, nice thick hat. Let's just pop it on because it's got cold here in Scotland again. I don't know what it's like anywhere else, but there we go. I always think these hats look a wee bit silly in me because I've got a small head, but what do we think? Do we like the hat? Next thing we have is wrapped up nicely, so I'm assuming this is some jewellery. I think it's earrings. Oh, now these are cute. If I can get them out. Right. So okay, right.
Mom, what's that?
What does that say, rave?
Mom.
Right, okay. So that says rave on one side and believe on the other side. An interesting choice. I was never really a raver. I was into dance music, but I was never really into the kind of rave scene. But they're probably maybe not something I would use. It's kind of odd. And then we've got a pair of sunglasses. These might be quite cute. How much were the earrings? Wait, I'll just tell you. So the earrings were originally £8, so I mean it's definitely getting your money's worth out of the box, and I do like the hat. That's it so far, but the next thing is these sunglasses. These are quite cute. How much were these? These were £20, so there you go. My iPad's going to run out. So this is what these look like. What do we think? What do we think? I've not even got a mirror closer. These are alright, no? I look a bit ridiculous with my hat and my sunglasses. Oh dear dear. They are quite big. Wait, no, I'll take the hat off because I feel silly. Do you know, I would wear them. Now, I do wear my prescription sunglasses most of the time, but I'm trying to get more into wearing my contact lenses, so I would be able to wear these with them if I had the courage. So that's the first one. Maybe a tiny bit disappointed. The only thing I really like is a hat. Right, let's get into the second one. So I'm going to have to open this down here, I think, because it's so big.
I bought Mom.
Oh dear, right.
Mom. A big hat.
This might be some people's taste. So this is a hat, right? And it is in a size medium to large. And it was originally £32.50. Yeah. Okay, so not my kind of style, but some people might like it. And see if it had been medium to large, you know, it's not actually that big. Like, ideally you would have it. I don't even know how you would wear that. Oh my gosh. Anyway, that's a hat. Let's just leave that one just now for a laugh. And then this one we've got a phone case as well. Why are they putting phone cases in when there's hundreds of different phones about? So this one is compatible with the iPhone 6, 7 and 8. So again, I will need to find someone that can make use out of that.
Okay, born.
The next thing is a hairband. Right, let's just stick this on. It's quite a big hairband, but from what I can see in my monitor, it's quite big. I don't know. Like, is that cute? Does it look like I've just got a big donut stuck in my head? Is it cute?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, you think it's cute?
Yeah.
Right, if you think it's cute, then it's cute. Right, the next thing we have here is a necklace. I'm trying to see if there's a price on this. I don't. Now this is huge. Let's try it on. Let's see what it looks like.
I can.
I think it's definitely a necklace and not rings. Yeah, it's definitely a necklace. Leave them there.
But there's none.
Right, so that is a necklace. Yeah. It's so big, like I don't know how comfy that would be to wear, but I don't mind it till you see it properly. I mean, it's a big statement piece of jewellery. Lois, you've got right the sunglasses on.
Mom.
It's You want me to put sunglasses on? Right, let's just put them on, why not? And then next thing we have here, oh this is cute, this is a phone ring. So let's just show you this. This isn't bad at all, I've been needing a new phone ring actually. So this is just this.
Does that
say L on it? Does that say L on it? You might not even be able to see. That says L on it, doesn't it? Is that an initial phone ring? Oh, come on. It is. Right, well I suppose L could stand for love. Couldn't it? Right. Two more things. So I've honestly at this point I feel like I've totally wasted my money. I'll need to go and rewatch Missa and Rosie's ones to see what they got, and I'm excited to see what she gets this time. So this is a hair clip and it says not today. That's not bad, that's alright, that's cute. Let's just swap this over and just put the hair clip in. Why not? Next thing is a pair of another pair of sunglasses. Oh, these are cute. Look at these ones. Oh, I'm not mad about these. Hope they fit. I've been wanting a pair like this. I think I've never thought that I've been cool enough to get them, but what do we think? Louis, quit trying not to take me out of that box. What do we think about the blue sunglasses? I mean, they're cool. I like them. I like them. Leave it. I do. So to recap, in the £10 box we got a phone case, we got some rave earrings, we got a pair of sunglasses. What else did we get in that £10 one? Oh, I can't even remember. 1, 2, shoot, Lewis, turn the light back on. I never just get 3 things. Oh, right, in the hat. So, the £10 one, you get the hat, those sunglasses, the Raver Baby earrings, and the phone case. Lewis, stop that. Put it back on. The £10 one, you get another phone. The £20 one, you got another phone case. Was it 20 or 30? No, 20. You got a hairband. You get those quite cool sunglasses. You got this necklace thing, and you got the phone ring that says L on it, and you got the hat. What do I think? Oh, and you got the hair clip. Come a minute. I think that I am quite disappointed, to be fair. I thought I was going to get some cute jewellery, some earrings, like, I mean I did get a pair of earrings, but they say rave on them, for fuck's sake. The phone cases are silly for them to include, because obviously everyone's got different phones and needs a different size phone case. This that says L on it, again, to me, is quite silly to include, because not everyone's name starts with an L. But you could still use that, I guess, and just like just say it stands for love. Where's that hat went? Let's just stick the hat back on and say goodbye, shall we? So, yeah. I always try not to be negative on YouTube. I really do, because I don't like speaking bad about brands, and I love Accessorize. Like I've went there for years and years. There was one in Central Station in Glasgow, and used to pop in whenever I was in the train station, and it was a fun shop to go into. But out of every mystery box that I've reviewed so far, I would say that this one has to be the most disappointing. The only things that I really like are probably these sunglasses, because these are cool, and the hat. I'll definitely get used to the hat. I'll wear it tomorrow because I'm going to get my vaccine, so I'll definitely wear it tomorrow. So let me know what you think of this box, and also if you've seen anyone else other than Rosie unbox these boxes, then let me know who they are so that I can go and check out their video and see what they got. See what they got. If they get in different to me, I'll be so jealous if they actually get good boxes. So if you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you would do so. I do loads of mystery boxes. They are a weakness of mine. If someone brings out a mystery box, you better believe I'm going to buy it. Please remember and hit the thumbs up button just to let me know that you did enjoy the video. Lewis! No. Put that back. And don't forget to make sure your notifications are turned on so that you're notified of my future videos. So that's all from me for today. So you coming to say bye bye?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on in.
Bye 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 bye.
So bye.
Bye.
Say bye bye. Wave bye bye.
Bye bye.
Wave bye bye. Wave.
Bye. Again.